Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Pia, and the topic for today is rain vocabulary. A lot of my students were struggling to speak and use words related to rain, and I thought this will be a great topic to share. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so I hope you can see my screen now, and in India here the monsoon season is in full swing. So students, please start using these words in your day-to-day life. One of the most important thing is whatever new words you are learning, you straight away start implementing them. And the second important thing when you're learning the vocabulary is please learn vocabulary in its context and do not memorize words. So the very first word is downpour. Downpour means a lot of rain in a short time. And the sentences are: the flights got cancelled due to the torrential downpour. We got caught in the downpour. The downpour had been continuous since morning. The second word is cloudburst. Yes, cloudburst meaning badal fatna in Hindi. The bus was delayed by a cloudburst. The meteorological department warned of the possible cloudbursts in the evening. Okay. Now, the third word for today is deluge. Deluge means a very large amount of rain, जिसे हिंदी में हम कहते हैं बाढ़ आना. The sentence is: the deluge caused severe mudslides. The region was deluged by heavy rains. Okay, the fourth word is bucket down. Now, bucket down is informal, so please do not use in your formal English, which again means to rain heavily. And the sentences are: as soon as we were inside, the rain began to bucket down. The next word is torrential rains, जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं मूसलधार बारिश. Again, the English meaning is very heavy rain, and the sentences are: the torrential rain affected all the public transport systems in the city. Many crops were destroyed due to torrential rains. The next word is incessant rains. Now, incessant का meaning होता है never stopping, especially in an unpleasant way. The sentences are: it was raining incessantly, so the children couldn't go to school. The incessant rains had severely impacted the lives of people. The next word is drizzle. Drizzle मतलब हल्की हल्की बारिश होना. The sentences are: the weather department has predicted only light drizzling in the city. The weather tomorrow will be mostly cloudy with few outbreaks of rain and drizzle. The next word is rainstorm. So, rainstorm means a weather condition with strong wind and heavy rain, जिसको हिंदी में हम कहते हैं आंधी आना. Sentences: after the rainstorm, there were potholes on the roads. Many trees fell down due to the unexpected rainstorm. The next word is thunderstorm. Thunderstorm meaning a storm with thunder and lightning and usually heavy rain, जिसको हिंदी में हम कहते हैं आंधी तूफान. The sentences: After the thunderstorm, many people were left homeless. She got caught in a thunderstorm. Next word is lightning. The meaning is flashing of light. The sentence is, many trees were struck by lightning. Lightning doesn't strike twice at the same place, जिसको हम हिंदी में बिजली कहते हैं. The next word is get drenched, and the sentences are, we got drenched by the rain. A very heavy rain drenched all the travelers. Meaning, बारिश में भीग जाना. The other words related to rain are heavy rain or light rain, it's lashing or it's spitting, to get wet, to get soaked, and there are some idioms जिसको हम use कर सकते हैं. It's raining cats and dogs जब बहुत भारी बारिश हो रही होती है तब, और every cloud has a silver lining. Okay, that means there is always hope in any adverse situation. Okay, now thank you so much for listening to me. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and here are the links to my handles on Instagram and Facebook. So please do follow me there, and also join my VIP Facebook group where you can connect with me and you can even ask questions related to IELTS or general English. So see you there. Thank you so much.